he informed me I was losing my backrest. And I'm like, what? I do got a birthday coming up, so birthday has came, and let me show you what I got, y'all. What's up, folks? Welcome back to the channel. So today, what am I doing? I am getting ready to add my backrest to my seat. So if you saw our earlier video, you saw that the husband got me a seat for Christmas, this lovely seat that I have right here, and it's been really, really nice. But when we went to go put the seat on, well, when I went to go put the seat on, he informed me I was losing my backrest, and I'm like, what? But then I said, well, this. I was just informed that I'm losing my backrest. So I do got a birthday coming up, so I don't know, I like my backrest. Okay. So birthday has came, and let me show you what I got, y'all. All right, y'all, let's see what's in the box. Look at there. There we go. There we go. I got the matching seat that goes along. Well, this is the backrest that goes along with this right here. All right, let's get it on. All right, so what came in that box was the back seat. Well, what came in that box is the backrest and the little apparatus that it connects to. So this is gonna go on the bike, and this here will connect in there, and then you unscrew this little screw right here so you can put it back. As far for, you know, short people, tall people, you can adjust it. So we about to figure this out, y'all. Let's go. Alright, so far what I have done is I have removed this back pylon, which is held on by the little screw back here, and then I took off the two screws that hold the seat down. And so I thought that I was gonna have to take this entire seat off, which is not hard, just gotta find the hole to put it back in. But I just put this backrest apparatus right here on top, and so theoretically I should be able to just put my back pylon back on and screw it back down. So let's see if that works. Okay, so and just like that, guys, I got the seat on. Let me tell you something. I was over here overthinking, overdoing. I don't know what I was doing. It was really simple to put on. All you had to do was take the back pylon off, okay? And then take the apparatus, put it on top of the two bolts that hold the seat on, and then bolt that down, put the back pylon, well, put the seat in, get it adjusted to where you want it. I think I have it adjusted just right. Let's see. Oh, I got a backrest. I'm in that thing. I don't know, it kind of leans a little bit, but that's okay. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of adjustments there, but I got it on. I'm gonna adjust it, make it a little bit tighter, but think I'm gonna like my backrest, but it's on. It was very simple. Like I said, it should have only took like 5 minutes, but of course, me being foxy, I made it take a little bit longer than normal, but hey, it is what it is. It's done, and I did it all before the husband got home. All right, y'all, that's it. I appreciate you watching. I hope you have enjoyed the content that I'm sharing with you guys. I'm trying to do more. I'm working on that. I'm getting the husband more incorporated into doing the videos. So y'all stay tuned and see what we're gonna bring y'all. We got a lot of things coming up this year in 2024. So we are so excited to share it with you guys. So I hope y'all join our journey and come along with us. But you know the routine. Like, comment, and subscribe. We're trying to reach that 1,000. We ain't there yet. Y'all help us out. Share us with your friends. Tell them how much you enjoy our channel. And come back and see us. All right. Peace.